Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another live. We are going to be going through some penny stock plays. We're going to try and find the hottest penny stock plays. We're going to try and do this consistently over the year, so it's going to be good. It's going to be good. Finally, Botis. Finally, you made it to a live, guys. I haven't seen Botis around these lives for a long time. Botis, welcome. Yeah, I don't want to keep doing lives if I have nothing to talk about, right? I want to make these as interesting as possible, so I don't want to do these all the time, but if we've got something good to go through, then we will. And penny stocks is something that I am particularly interested right now, and I'm guessing most of you are as well, for anyone tuning into the live. So we've got Mikey P, Sebastian, Jelmar. What's up, dude? What is up, guys? We're going to find some penny stocks, guys. Who wants to find some penny stocks? I bet you're all here because you saw the title, and we're going to try and make this fun and not boring. We obviously had a crappy day in the markets, so let's lift the spirits up and let's catch some crazy plays. Alex, Jelmar, Mikey, let's go. Let's find some exciting plays because penny stocks have got me gassed, guys. I just know the potential here with the penny stocks. Highly lucrative if you get these right. So I don't want to sleep on these opportunities. So hopefully we're going to go through some plays. Alex is down 2K today. Guys, I saw someone in my comments. Welcome, Tim. Let's find some beauties. Jody, Maraki. Welcome, guys. I recognize all those names. And they are names which I come across a lot in the live. So welcome, people. We're going to find some plays, guys. We're going to find some crazy plays. Now, AABB. I'm going to start off this live with AABB. I did give you guys a sneak peek on YouTube. I have told my members about this stock, but it is a stock which I have kind of maybe given it away, because on YouTube I posted about AABB. If someone saw my post about AABB, and we've got Megan Weddington back again on the live. Welcome Megan, nice to have you with us again. Mikey, I'm with you, buddy. He's down 1700. Guys, I've seen people down 50k, 100k on social media. I mean, it's money, guys, whatever it is. If it's 2k, 100k, whatever, we're all red today. So let's all come together with the red day and just drown in our sorrows here. But guys, come on. It is a red day. We can't have green every day. So it is natural, and to expect these corrections, we can go through that later on in the live. But we're going to find some penny stocks. AABB, who caught I kind of gave this stock away on YouTube a couple of days ago when I was talking about it, but I haven't mentioned AABB outside of my group so far. But yeah, everyone's had a hard day today, so let's lift the spirits and let's find some crazy plays, because there's still a lot to look forward to for 2021. Yeah, exactly. It makes it more interesting because the markets have taken a dip, right? They've taken a dip, but now we're back onto a level playing field. So James Awkward says he's bought AABB. Guys, what a play this is. I can see this over 65 cents was the previous resistance, right? I can see this over $1 easy. These guys are involved in cryptocurrency. They're actually setting up their own crypto wallet, and they're actually they've got a coin offering, which is crazy. Ajish, we haven't seen Ajish in a while, guys. Look who we have here. We have Ajish Matthew. Hope everyone recovered from the morning dip. Exactly. I hope you guys remain patient on the morning dips. But let's go find some penny stocks. I want to find some 1000% penny stocks. Who's with me on that? So only CTXR was up. So these are some of the penny stocks you guys mentioned on the last live, right? Forget Apple. Don't know why Apple's in here. So just ignore that. Yeah, these aren't actually all penny stocks, so sorry about that. But AABB, come on, guys, you could have got a dip buy here on AABB this morning when the whole market crashed. You could have got a nice dip buy. So if you guys have any penny stocks you want me to go through as well, let me know in the live chat. But I want to be suggesting some which I found across the internet and ones I've been researching. So yeah, AABB was the first one. Now they have got their initial coin offering coming up. That's very true, Alex. Very, very, very wise words coming from Alex Kowalczyk over here in the live chat. Fantastic stuff. But yeah, AABB. So with the initial coin offering planned for next week, this is going to be exciting. Marake says AITX. So I don't really like AITX, to be honest, guys. But we'll have a look at it, seeing as though Marake has suggested it. Ajish, thank you for recommendation for AABB. Entered in today's dip. Ajish, he caught it, guys. Ajish caught it because I gave a sneaky tip on YouTube, and I don't think everybody saw it, but whoever did see the post on YouTube, which I made, some of you managed to catch it, so congratulations. I think this is going to be a great play. Ricey, Jody with the Ricey. So if you don't know if you don't know what Ricey is, RYCE is a part of the same holdings of Rolls-Royce, part of the same group, but they are in charge of the US branch. I think if my memory serves me right, Ricey are mainly involved with the ship engines, if I'm not mistaken. Or it might be the other way around. I think RYCE might be the plane engines. So Jody's suggested RYCE. What is going on with the charts? Let's just refresh the page here because it's not allowing me to set up any stock. Let me just reload my charts here, guys. This is, man, TradingView is letting me down lately, guys. Drop a like here, guys. Drop a like. Look at these people buying AABB. So congratulations, 1000%. Maraki says CLIS. Okay, I'm getting some suggestions here. This is what I like to see. This is why we do this, so the community can come together and hopefully suggest better plays. So we're coming together here, and hopefully I'm just heading on to Mac OS. I know, guys, can you believe this, man? Can you believe this? I know it's not my internet, guys. I know it's not my internet because the live stream is working beautifully right now. It's working beautiful, but AABB is trending in a lot of places right now, guys. It's trending. And another stock to look out for is Santo Mining Corporation, and Workhorse Group is down 47% today. Botis says the live stream is awesome now. Yeah, but damn, TradingView, what is going on? In the meantime, I'm just going to show you guys a quick advert. Follow me on Instagram, traderjourney_official. Give me a follow there, guys. You know how much value I give to people who follow me on Instagram. Just a short advert, guys, and we'll be back. And we'll be back to the charts. I'm just going to pin this. Follow me on Instagram and get involved with the fun which I post there on Instagram. There we go, guys. Here we go. Finally, the charts took ages. TradingView, I'm actually a paid member, and they're treating me like this. Crazy, right? So anyway, AABB. So what was it? CLIS was just mentioned there by, I believe, who mentioned CLIS? Who mentioned oh, it was Meraki, my dude Meraki. Okay. Workhorse, man, what is going on there? Okay, we're getting some suggestions here from Meraki. Let's pull up CLIS because I know I've been reading up on the CLIS, Clickstream Corporation. A lot of cheap stocks were up for grabs today, guys. Markets just closed. Jody, no, Jody, my man Jody is just putting a $5 there towards the new MacBook, the new MacBook Pro fund. We've just opened a new fund for the new MacBook Pro. Thank you so much, Jody. Really appreciate you, man. Really appreciate you. Okay, CLIS, guys. I'm loving the charts on CLIS. Goodness me, CLIS. Look at the charts here. 27 cents right now with all-time highs of 60 cents. We could see a 300% return on this alone, guys. Okay, I like it. Apple all the way, guys. I might have to add some Apple shares to the long-term portfolio. Fiona Wing says she's gambling on HCMC. I'm not a big fan of HCMC. High risk, high reward. There's no such thing as high risk, high reward for me. You know why, guys? Because I always set up my charts. With risk to reward. You guys should know this. This should be planted in your brains now. The amount of times you guys see me do this. The amount of times you see me create risk to reward. Now look. We've got strong support at 15 cents here on CLIS. Very, very strong support on CLIS at 15 cents. We're trading at 27 cents right now. Where is the next profit targets for us? They're already debt free. Meraki says launched PayPal in over 10 countries. Plan to monetize soon. Okay, so they've not monetized this new area yet, this new product launch, but let's just have a look, because I'm just going to chart these very quickly, see if there's any potential profit targets we could have here. It's not the cleanest of charts here, so it's going to be a bit of a tricky one, guys. It's going to be a bit of a tricky one. I see that 29 cents range coming in soon. Meraki again, CBBT, tell us what you think about the cryptocurrency situation. Botis, we're looking at penny stocks right now, but I will definitely address the crypto question. Seeing as though Botis is a member of mine, I'm probably obliged to answer that question. So let's go with it. Crypto down 30% or whatever the correction was. Well, I've got crypto in my Coinbase account, and I will be holding that for the foreseeable future. As Kathy Woods says, in Kathy Woods we trust, right, guys? Kathy Woods says that cryptocurrency is the future. That's what she quoted the other day. I quote what she said. So if she's right, and most of the time Kathy Woods is right, so I'm with her. I'm holding cryptocurrency in my account. Where can we trade penny stocks? Pedro asks. Hola, Pedro. Okay, Mr. Pedro is asking, where can you trade penny stocks? Pedro, could you let me know where you are based, what country you're based in, so I can understand what platforms are probably best available for you. Okay, all right. So I like the potential here on CLIS. It was a good dip buy opportunity. Damn, there were so many dip buy opportunities. Pedro's in the USA, so you might want to use something like, I know Webull doesn't have all the stocks, so I would first say, if you're not on Webull, definitely get onto Webull, Pedro. I think you'll get most of your stocks on there, Mr. Pedro. Matt Klosh says you got dog today. Yes, we all did, my friend. CBBT is very risky. Bio companies are very volatile. Yeah. Let me just pull up a stock which it seems to be trending at the moment, which is Santo, SANP. Anyone heard of SANP? I'm sure you guys have, because it's been being talked about quite a bit at the moment. SANP, my friend. Or Schwab, yeah, Fiona, but you do need $25,000 to open a Mr. Schwab account. So guys, look at SANP. Has anyone heard of SANP? So it does seem to be ranging, and I see some potential on SANP. I'm using Ameritrade. Ajish, yeah, that's right. Ameritrade, guys. Ameritrade is a stock you guys can look at. Sorry, not a stock, a platform you can look at, because yeah, you'll definitely get some opportunity there. But AMC up 14% today, guys. Meraki's just throwing a suggestion there. HVBTF. I'm gonna put in Bitfarms here as well, but HVBTF, sorry. DNN, we're already in DNN, guys, but I'll throw it up here as well in case you want to check that out. There's some cheap stocks. Hopefully you can still get some good prices for these stocks tomorrow. DNN, I see, guys, if you haven't seen my DNN video, check it out on YouTube. I personally have a profit price target of $2.50. Just based off the call volume coming in, options contracts coming in for that $2.50, I think we'll surpass $2.50. It's just a case of when, not if. So you just got to be patient with it. HVBTF, who suggested that one? Meraki again. Meraki, jeez. Oh man, all these stocks are coming in cheap right now, guys. All of these stocks are coming at a discount. Dr. Waleed Al Tamimi, we got a doctor in the building. Welcome, Dr. Waleed. mRNA future, please. Okay, we got a doctor in the building, and he's suggesting a nice pharmaceutical business. How about that? How about that, guys? Jody's coming in again with a DFFN. Yes, so we did talk about DFFN, I believe, the other day, right? Did we not? I think we did. Look at all this red in the market, guys. Shocking. LKCO again. Jody with another one. Dr. Waleed, tell us some more pharmaceutical businesses. Come on, man. Hit us up. Hit us up with some stock plays. All right, I think that's enough from Mr. Jody, because Jody and Meraki, you guys have been killing it. Let's see if there's any trending stocks right now you want to be looking at. Give me a second. Let's have a look. Walt Hutton's always looking. Meraki, I love Moderna. Balsamic vinegar. Okay, Mr. Bongman back in the building. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna start this off again. AABB. If you don't know about AABB, these guys, this stock likes to consolidate. This stock likes to consolidate before it makes these big moves. Now look what it's doing right now, guys. All I'm saying, guys, is if you want to scalp this stock, it's certainly possible. You see how it is? You see how this is, guys? Look at this. Just as what we experienced last time, I'm telling you, guys, I am telling you, chart these on your charts and just use the price action, use the breakouts, and you will make some serious money just on doing this. So look at this. Triangle forming on AABB after the crash not crash, I don't want to say crash anymore, the correction. And Dr. Waleed Al-Tamimi is Saudi Arabia preventative medicine physician. Dr. Waleed, which part of Saudi Arabia are you from, my friend? Suleiman Ali, dude, why you kick me out of your Discord? I don't remember that. Why did you kick me out of your Discord? Alright, take it easy. I'll add you back in. It's probably because you were spamming the chat, or you were just there's only a couple of people I've ever removed from my Discord. You're probably not worthy, Mr. Suleiman. I think you were either you either started a fight or you were just making false accusations, as most people do in the Discord. Oh, Dr. Waleed is in the oil area. Check this geezer out. Check this guy out, guys. He's a big man. He's a big man. He's a big man in Saudi Arabia. All right, but guys, look at AABB. You can simply scalp this stock just based on this price action here, as we had the same pattern form before on AABB. And look what happened, guys. Guys, look what happened. Just telling you now. The crashes happened. It's consolidating. Play the breakout. Just play the breakout. Okay, Suleiman, let me address Suleiman's point here. Guys, Suleiman, I give all my proof of all my accounts in my Discord. My members are here to tell you that. Where are my members? We got Botis, we got what's his name, Mr. Bongman. We got guys. If I was really lying about what I was doing, then fine. I am transparent. Shift one photo is here, who's a member of mine as well. Botis is a member. Mr. Bongman, guys, if everything was fake here, then I don't think people were watching my videos. I don't think people would be taking my plays. I gave you guys SOS for free. I post all my plays on Instagram. I post all my profits on Instagram. Suleiman, just go over to my Instagram. I post my profits. I post them. Everyone fixes car. Anyway, Alex, all right. Mate, this guy easily makes gains. Thank you very much, Meraki. I appreciate your support. But guys, the thing is, you know what's funny here, guys? Guys, you know what's funny? Okay, Ajish, you're a friend of Biju as well. Biju is a member of mine. Tim is a member of mine. A lot of my members are here watching, right? Here's the thing. Mr. Suleiman, I've never asked for your money. I've not asked for any money from you, right? And here's another thing. You're watching my videos. I give plays out for free. There was a guy who DM'd me on Instagram. He's not here actually. Alex P. You guys know about Alex P, right? So I told him to buy Cineworld yesterday on the live yesterday because I said it was a good opportunity. He made his money. I never asked for £1 or $1 from him. I'm not asking for your money, Suleiman. I'm not asking for your money. But the way you came into my Discord trying to say I was a fraud, a fake. So thank you very much, Shift One Photo, for confirming that. Yeah, Suleiman, that's absolutely right. But the way you came into my Discord, basically telling people I was a fraudster and a fake, I don't appreciate that. Yeah, you did. That's why I removed you. So I don't want to get into a fight here on the live, but Suleiman, you deserved it. So see you later. I don't take people who accuse me as like a fraudulent person or a fake. I don't take it lightly. So that's why I reacted in the way I did. I work very hard for what I do. The members will tell you there's times where I don't even sleep. I sleep a few hours a day and I'm straight back into work. So you oh my god. All right, whatever, Suleiman. I'm just gonna remove you from here if you just keep like spamming the live chat, because we got money to make here. People want to make money. That's the reason why they're in this live chat. Just leave, man. I don't want your negativity here. Simply don't want your negativity here. Yeah, I mean, look, I'm not asking for your money, Suleiman. Like, if I was asking for your money, then fine, you have every right. But I tell my members what I make. They see what I make. They see my plays. So just duck out of here, Mr. Suleiman. I don't think he can come in and just like try and ruin what I have, because I have haters. Trust me, I have haters. And Suleiman is just another hater, because he's, rather than spreading positivity, he's coming in here spreading negativity, where we're all trying to make money. All these people in the live chat, I please beg everybody to stop paying in the live chat, because honestly, I'm not here for you guys to make money, to make money off you guys, right? If I make you money, then I'm happy. Literally, if I make you money, I'm happy. So Suleiman, I make you money as well. How about that? And here we go. So AABB, guys, trade the breakout, right? And then take it from there. In fact, let me show, you know what, Suleiman, if you want some transparency, I'll show you transparency. I flipped an account from $1,800 to $4,500 within 10 days. Suleiman, are you listening to this? I'll post exactly what I didn't have to post it, because my members get to see it, and that's all they need. I'll show you within 10 days an $1,800 account to $4,500. How about that? All right, I'll show you. Go onto my Instagram. I'll show you. Go onto my Instagram after this, and I'll show you. Simple. Okay, great. So duck out of here with your negativity, because I'm not having it. And I'm just gonna ignore you. Yeah, that's fine. Guys, people who followed me on Instagram for a while have seen me post profits. Suleiman, you followed me for 2 days. You came into my Discord attacking me. Why should I address your questions if you're just attacking me? I'm not going to address them. CLH, this dude over here, Suleiman Ali, is trying to accuse me of just being a fake. I have 22 members in my Discord. If I was a fake, then I don't think any of them would have stayed. I don't think anyone would take my plays. I don't think anyone would. I don't think I would even have you guys watching me live if my plays were fake. Right? Sorry, Botis. Sorry, man. These guys just frustrate me, because I work damn hard. Guys, I work damn hard to provide plays, to do my research. I work on weekends. I don't really have days off. So when people accuse me of saying this guy's a fake, I don't take it lightly, because I work damn hard. Guys, I work damn hard. I'm not even joking. I wouldn't even joke about, guys, all my members know, and they can speak for me, because I don't need to speak anymore. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, you're more than, but Suleiman, don't come attacking me and accusing me of being a fake, right? You left the group, and then some lady came in and started attacking me as well. I don't need that. I don't want to give energy to that, right? And I'm giving energy to you right now, which I shouldn't be. So game over. Let's move on. All right. So like I said here on AABB, guys, when you look at the same pattern forming here once again. So I think this could be a breakout opportunity. And if you played out this triangle here, man, oh man, this could be a very decent and a very lucrative play. All right, I'm just going to get rid of this dude, because he can duck right out. So yeah, guys, I'm thinking penny stocks can be stocks which you can actually scalp, which is nuts, right? You can actually scalp stocks. So scalping pennies, man, they could be. See you later, my friend. Very nice, friend. Yeah, you like this one, Derek? You like this one? Hopefully this is something you guys can potentially catch. You just have to play the breakout. There's a few other indicators which I use for confirmation for this trade. One of which you guys need to make sure we've got sufficient volume. We just need to make sure there's sufficient volume when you trade breakouts. Let's have a look at this. So for instance, on this breakout here, which we saw last on AABB, look at the amount of volume that came through, right? The volume came through and then the price just broke through. So you want to make sure when you're trading breakouts, have sufficient volume, right? Yeah, guys, the Discord group is currently shut for new members, but I've got a waiting list around 25 to 30 people now. So if you guys want to be added to the waiting list, feel free to DM me on Instagram. It's pinned on the live chat. I don't want a big group by any means. I do like how the group is right now. We're doing great, positive group. We're all making good progress. So thanks, Botis, for confirming that. Actually, Botis, you know what? I'm gonna, as a member of mine, I'm gonna add you as a moderator because Botis is always doing so well with that. Botis, I think you're a moderator now. Is he a moderator? Yeah. Botis is a moderator. Hope I'm somewhere near the top. Yeah, Meraki, we're trying, man. We're trying. Guys, sorry about just go off on a tangent on this Suleiman guy, because honestly, if you worked hard, you don't want anyone trying to say you don't, trying to say what you do is fake, because it hurts, man. It hurts when somebody says what you're doing is fake when you work damn hard to like provide value. It's crazy. But I think it's part and parcel of just being on social media, doing YouTube and doing all of that. You're going to have to come across haters. If you don't have haters, you're probably not doing something right. So yeah, I think this is a good breakout to look out for tomorrow. AABB, guys. CLIS is something. Yeah, Alex. Botis is one bad dude, my friend. He's a bad dude. He is known as the crypto miner. I do like CLIS, Meraki. I really do like the charts. I'm just going to cover off some fundamentals here. Jeez. CLIS. Tell me about it though, guys. There was so much opportunity in the markets. With these corrections, the opportunities they give you is crazy. Thanks, CLH. Even if it was fake, it's all for education. Exactly. Look, guys, I promise you, I'm not asking for anyone's money. Please, 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 please. I know Alex pays me. I know Roy pays me. I know all of you pay me. I don't forget, right? But listen, I'm not asking anyone to be a member. I've got 25 to 30 members on the waiting list. I didn't ask anyone to come and be a member. I gave value. They saw the value I gave, and they asked to become a member. That's absolutely fine. And if I'm giving you value, then fine. That's great. But if you don't see any value in what I'm bringing to the table, then I'm not asking for your money, and I'd rather you just watch my YouTube channel if that's better for you. Okay, so ACIC, yeah, another a SPAC. Whether it's a penny stock or not, it's definitely questionable because it is a SPAC, right? Yeah, I do like ACIC. Did I make a video on ACIC yet? I'm sure I did. I'm sure I made a YouTube video on ACIC. I am sure. I am sure I made a video. Did I not make a video on... Did I make a video on ACIC? Oh! I was getting confused, Meraki, because I have told the members about ACIC as a SPAC, which I like, right? And ALTU, though. Yeah. So okay, now I'm with you. Jared, I just got your DM. Thanks very much, my friend. Okay, so mentioned it in the live. I think I mentioned it on the live. Right. Alex P in the building. Sorry, I didn't see you there, Mr. Alex. Thanks for sliding in the DMs. We're having some good conversations there, Mr. Alex. Great stuff. What happened today on CCIV? Okay, we can discuss that if you guys want. Who wants me to discuss CCIV? I know the video is about penny stocks, so I'd rather keep it that way because I'm guessing that's why most of you are here watching. ACIC, I love it. I love it. They're trying to look ACIC, who they're planning on merging with, right? I believe they're going to offer cheaper electric flights than UberX and etc. So I think they announced the merger. Yes, exactly. I stole back CCIV at 32. We got the dip buy, and lads sold their position. They announced the merger, and it's yeah. Look, guys. You know what was crazy about the CCIV play? I tell people a lot, right? If everybody's bullish on a particular stock, that's not always a good sign, my friends. That's not always a good sign. And I think 99% of the people, they knew Tuesday was going to be the announcement. So the amount of options, the amount of contracts, the amount of swing trades on CCIV was nuts. So the amount of money that got wiped is insane. It's basically daylight robbery, guys. CCIV was daylight robbery because the amount of people that were saying, yeah, CCIV is going to go up, it's going to gap up because they're announcing the merger on Tuesday. So guys, what I'd say to you as some wisdom here, you guys have probably learned from it if anyone was still in the CCIV play. Me and the team have come out of the CCIV play. But I would like to say this, that if everyone is bullish on a particular stock, that is not always a good thing, right? That's not always a good thing because there's so much that can go wrong with that. There's so much that can go wrong with that. And then I had people messaging me saying, "Is it now a good time to buy? Is it?" So I stayed away from CCIV today. And the thing is, people have been asking me for entry on CCIV when it's trading at these highs. The previous highs before this crash, of course. And it's very hard to say because, as you guys can see from my charts right now, I like to trade stocks when they're exhausted, when the sellers have run out of steam and buyers are stepping into the market more actively, such as with this CLIS. You can see sellers got exhausted around that 15 cents range, and then what happened? It recovered and buyers took control of that price area. So what I would say is that I like to buy stocks and trade stocks that have good risk to reward ratio and are coming out of good demand areas, i.e. CLIS at 15 cents there's buyers sitting there and ready to push the price back up. So you buying CCIV near highs, it's hard for you to gauge where buyers are going to step in and where sellers are going to step in. And when you're trading at those highs of what CCIV was trading at, it could easily go wrong. So Meraki says 32, great support for CCIV. Let me just pull up the charts so you guys can see what I'm saying. I saw, when CCIV had a slight pullback the other day, just before this guys, these charts are really ticking me off right now. But yeah, when there was a slight pullback, oh man, my dude Alex, guys, you know what? I'm so happy with the way the Discord is being run. Like right now, I've got 22 members. I'm so happy, right, with the way things are going and how members are progressing. I'm not even joking, guys. I'm literally just happy with the way it is. I may just turn around one day and say, look, you know what, guys, I'm sorry. I do want to have new members. It would be great to have you with us. But we're doing a fantastic job as it is, and I don't want anything ruining it. And I'm seriously, I might turn around and do that. And if I do that, I do apologize in advance. But honestly, with a small group, the amount you can achieve is nuts. Because we've got a team full of winners, right? We've got a team full of winners. And that's all I want. Hard workers, grafters, and winners. And no one's coming in there ruining our vibe, because we are just there vibing and just killing it, happy for each other, making money and making friendships, making networks, and growing, right? And if, like, I just think at 22 members, I'm happy, guys. I'm happy. I'm not doing this for the money. I'm just happy with 22 members, keeping a small community, and maybe I just do that. Yeah. Ajish. What the frick, man? Guys, these... Oh, here we go. Okay, fine. Goodness me. Sorry about this, guys. It's not my internet, I promise, because the live stream is working clean. Thanks, Dr. Waleed. Nice to hear from you. Dr. Waleed, drop me a message on Instagram. I want to know about those pharmaceuticals. Maybe you can shed some light on it. Yeah, the internet definitely needs working on. Thank you, Walt. Guys, I come on live maybe twice a day, right? And I'm happy to give you value. And it's better than that, man. Yeah, Botis. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry, man. All right. Okay. CLIS. So, yeah, like I said, guys, with any of the plays and investments, which I particularly like, I don't care how bullish it is in the market. I don't care how bullish it is in the news, right? If the setup is not there, right, from a technical perspective, I don't want to trade it. I just don't see Look, guys, watch this. Guys, I want to watch this. I want to show you something quickly. How many of you were talking about CLIS last week or a couple of weeks before? I know there was a few of you, right? I'm not here to bash any of you, but I just want to prove something. I just want to prove something to you right now, and hopefully you guys can learn something from this. The reason why I don't like buying stocks when they've already reached these all-time highs is look at your risk to reward. And look at exactly what happened with CLIS. Say we went back in time, right? I'm no genius here, but I can't read the future. But I'm just telling you guys, check this out. Yeah, Votis. We joke a lot, my friend. We joke a lot. Tim, does anyone have an alternative to Webull to trade ABB since it's not available? Yeah, Tim, I am still researching that for you, so apologies for the delay. But man, oh man, there's a few jurisdictions we need to cover in the group. But guys, look at CLIS, right? Say you bought near those all-time highs. Look at your risk to reward. Do you see what I'm saying, guys? So obviously, when a stock is running, you can't always do this, right? But if somebody was asking me about CLIS and said, shall I enter at 44 cents? The answer to that is, for me, would be yes and no. The reason why it would be no is because from a risk to reward, it doesn't look great. The reason why it may be a yes, because the future might be amazing. However, if you're entering a stock at these all-time highs, that is not the time where you put your whole account into one trade. You go super light. You might go 5% of your account value. Your risk management. Preserve your capital. But if you're putting so much money into one play, can you imagine the risk involved here, guys? Because this is exactly what happened. The risk to reward was not matching up. But I know, for instance, if we just flick it back to what I had just now, right? I just want to show you this very quickly. Now, some of you are probably wondering, well, why is the risk to reward better here? How do you know it's going to find support? Well, I'm just drawing this from the point of view that if price went to 15 cents, that would be our mental stop loss, right? It would be a mental stop loss where if it hit 15 cents, we'd be like, okay, we've had enough and it's clearly not going in the direction we expected. So we just cut our loss at 15 cents, right? And that is it. But trading stocks when they're near all-time highs, you don't want to be going in heavy because you need to preserve your capital. You need to preserve your capital. Just keep in mind as well, trading is not about finding a lottery ticket, guys. A lot of you guys are looking for the lottery ticket that's going to make you retire and make you financially free. But trading and investing is a marathon. It's a long-term race. We're in here for the long run. We're going to continue growing and we're going to continue to grow our accounts. But chasing lottery tickets, that's where it goes wrong for most of people in the markets, because they see the money, they see the penny stocks, they see how much money can be made, and they're risking way too much capital on each trade. And keep in mind, these penny stocks which we're talking and discussing, they are obviously high risk, high return opportunities. They're highly speculative, right? And with high speculative trades, your capital's even more at risk than the traditional stock, for instance Zoom, or a traditional growth stocks which we've been discussing on the channel, right? So your capital is at much more risk with penny stocks, and these stocks can liquidate within seconds, guys. They'll be gone in an instant, right? So you need to understand that whatever money you're putting into these penny stocks, it has to be amounts which you're willing to lose, right? And they can only be amounts which you can speculate with. So you don't want to use your savings for this. You want to use any spare cash, any additional cash which you have sitting there, which you could use. So I just want to bring that point across, guys. So I don't like people losing. I want everybody to win. And the only way you're all going to win is by making sure you stick to your risk management, right? And don't go YOLOing your whole account balance onto one stock. Please don't do that. Please, please, please. Because that's where it goes wrong, right? All right, I think you guys get the point. And Mikey Van Vliet, that's a lovely name, Mikey Van Vliet. HCMC lottery play for Friday. Let's pull up HCMC. I wasn't a fan of it because I did do some reading on it, and I don't know, didn't interest me. Have you guys noticed the penny stock charts look so weird? Look how weird it looks. Jeez, it looks so weird. Well, you could just flick around these zones here. I did have zones charted on HMC when all of us last looked at this, guys. But it looks like there's a supply zone here where we're selling off consistently in this zone. Can you guys see this? Every time HCMC reaches I'm just going to call it 4 cents, even though it's not, it's like whatever it is, 0.004. Whenever it reaches that area, you can see the price tries to reject and sell off. So if it was me, HCMC, where's the next support? Oh, okay, found some support at this level here, which was the dip buy opportunity. It looks like we got strong support on HCMC, so this could be another play. Geez, every stock today looks exactly the same, guys. I don't know if you guys are seeing this. Every stock looks the same. Walt Hutton, you can send me an email if you want, if you prefer. So every stock looks the same because there's a huge dip and it found support. So a lot of stocks are up for cheap right now, right? A lot of stocks are up for cheap. Botis on the man. Okay, so owners of CLIS own and run one of the top 10 YouTube channels. Yeah, Meraki, I think you told me about this before, actually. What's up, K? Oh, man, my man, K. Fiver Juice. What's up, dude? Larry AU. What's up? Look at Trit's risk to reward. All right, let's look at Trit's risk to reward. I'm happy to help you out, my man Craig over there. Would love to trade them. eToro is still down so crazy. Alex P. Did you see my Instagram post, Alex? Crazy, isn't it? Absolutely crazy. I think we should definitely complain because that is not looking good. We had a request here from my friend Just Craig, who's consistently watched the live for a long time, and he wants to know how the risk to reward setup would be on a stock like Trit. So I'm more than happy to do that for him. So look what I like to do. I'm just going to quickly hopefully help you guys out here. What I like to do when setting up risk to reward is finding where the all-time low is, right? If it's not all-time low, I want to find where the recent low is, right? For example, market crashed obviously today. So a recent low could be considered the 691. You see that, guys? So when setting up my risk to reward, I like to find the closest support area where there's strong support, where price is unlikely to fall below in the short term, right? So in this particular instance for TRIT is 691 for me. You could, if you wanted to, just to be more safe, chart 653 as your key support area, your critical support area. So that's what I first like to do. And then next, this is how I generally chart my graphs stocks anyway, guys, so you'll be able to see this. Let me just flick to the, I like to flick to the 4-hour chart. That's my favorite time frame for the old penny stocks and plays. So here you can see the potential. Wow, TRIT looks fantastic. That's a great stock just from the technicals here. Ajish is trading. Guys, TRIT is looking beautiful. Thanks very much for this. Who suggested this stock? Just Craig. Thanks very much for this. Okay, so I'll tell you, TRIT looks fantastic from a risk to reward perspective. I'm just going to quickly chart these levels, which are previous key all-time highs. And then I'm just going to flick down. Just going to see if you get another support level here. This is pretty much a good enough support area here. Just bear with me, guys. Just going to quickly chart these for you. I like to see 2 candle wicks cross before we chart. There we go. Is that good? That's good enough. All right, that's good enough for what we're doing here. And I'm just going to chart one more level. Sorry. There we go. All right. So first I like to go to 4-hour time frame, chart the key critical levels, which I can see, then flick to the 1 hour. Now 1 hour is where it gets interesting, right? We're trading at 728 right now. I like the risk to reward. This is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic stock. Thank you very much, Craig, for this. It's a great example and a great play for people to benefit from. So we're all here to help each other out. Great stuff. Look at the risk here. So this is what I'm suggesting the risk is. Why is it the risk? It's the all-time low. The stock hasn't been lower than that price level since records began for TRIT. So that's why that is my risk at this point in time. I'm just going to amend my chart so you guys can clearly see what I'm doing here. Yeah, that's right, Fiona. Yeah, that's right. I have to look at quite a lot of stocks each day, so sometimes you guys have to jog my memory because I sometimes can't remember. Although I do remember every one of your names, that's for sure. Because you guys are a family now. We're a big old family. Okay, so there's one key resistance here in the short term. Look at this resistance here. Okay, so here's the risk. Now, what I also like to mention, Meraki and Just Craig and everyone watching, is that with risk to reward, it's very beneficial to obviously understand your short-term profit targets and your long-term profit targets. And you can obviously combine this with your fundamentals. If the company is experiencing some future growth possibilities and anticipating some huge growth, then absolutely we can understand. Obviously, with some stocks, it's wise to calculate the intrinsic value, which I sometimes do. I mainly do that for long-term stocks and long-term portfolio holds. But here's what we like to do in the short term, right? In the short term, absolutely fantastic risk to reward. This is what I have in view for the short term, people. Maybe even less so. If you want to be extra conservative, this is what I say. Short term. So Just Craig, this is a short term risk to reward. And you guys will see me chart risk to reward in nearly every play because it's so important for me and it helps me visualize what the potential is for the stock and what the potential profit is. Does it matter that TRIT is being sued by Klein? I did not know that, Mr. Ahab, so thanks for mentioning that. We'll have to look at it. We'll have to look at that because that's going to be that's possibly why we're seeing such big swings in the stock here. To operates as a blank check. Oh, it's a SPAC. Guys, it's a SPAC. Anyway, just in the short term, just to cover what Just Craig was asking, right? I'll need to do some more DD on that. Oh, Mr. Roger. Pleasure to have you with us, Mr. Roger. A long-time YouTube live fan, member, watcher of ours. Thank you for joining, Roger. Great to have you with us. Goldie, hey, what do you think about Canabo Group stocks? Do you think it has potential? I'll have a look at that for you. But here's the risk to reward, Just Craig. And I think it's fantastic. 728 for a potential short-term high of 853. We obviously need to do some checks on the fundamentals there because Ahab tells us that there's potential there's a potential lawsuit ongoing there. So we'll have to look at the fundamentals there. Entertainment, heat, welcome. I did just have SANP up on my charts here. I'll happily cover that in a second. But in the long term, right? In the long term for TRIT, if I was to set a risk to reward, it may be even, I'd say here, this previous support. So it's possibly the $10 range, so it could get you 30% returns. So look at this, guys. 30% returns reward potential in the medium to long term here, with a potential downside. So 30% profit potential with a downside potential of, what is that? 10%. So you're risking 10%. A potential loss of 10% for a potential profit of 30%. You see where I'm going with this? So hopefully that helps you guys. FIFA picks. How you doing, man? I'm good. Long time no speak. Faisal, what's going on, guys? Late to the party. Mike Schlabs, what's going on, guys? These names are all familiar right now. Thanks all for joining. Fantastic. TRIT is down because a company that is close to Tritiris Rhodium needs to restructure its debts. Rhodium and Tritiris have the same owner, but they're not the same company. Very wise and very detailed information there from Just Craig. Thanks very much for the information, Craig. Fantastic. Craig, does this make sense to you, what I've just told you about the risk to reward here? Ramon! Hola, amigo. Hola, amigo. Mr. Ramon Velas. Mr. Ramon. Hola. How are you, my friend? Mr. Ramon. My friend over there from across the pond. We got Ramon and we got Walt. All right, so I don't want to spend too much time on this because your time is as precious as mine, right, guys? So risk to reward, there you go, and that's how I like to do it. That's how I like to do it. And we got Botis with the Ola. We got Botis with the Ola. I'm gonna send you guys a what do you call those Mexican hats, guys? Guys, what do you call those Mexican hats, man? This might just show my my ignorance, which I hope it doesn't, because I love different cultures. I embrace different cultures. What is it called? Is it sombrero? No. Is it? What is it? What's it called? Sombrero. Yeah, I was right. Okay, sombrero. All right, sorry guys. Oh, look at all those sombreros. We got sombreros in the building. How do I send a sombrero? I'm going to send you guys. I need to send Hola, my friend. My friend, Mr. Ramos. I need to send him a hat. How do I send him a cheeky... Ramos, I'm sending you a sombrero, my friend. There he goes. We got a Ramon Velas in the building. Alright, have a look at penny stock Canabo. Sorry, my accent's just changed there. Guys, I've just turned Mexican. Okay. Hola. Let's Alex. Kowalczyk. Alright, let's get up a stock here. Poland in the house. Risco. Our family are international, my friends. Our family are international. Alex failed Spanish class in high school, guys. Look, there's an example of an L into a W. Alex failed Spanish class and now he's here shouting hola in the live chat. Fantastic. Alright, there was a stock mentioned here which I don't want to miss. What was it? Damn, what was that stock? Someone just mentioned a stock. Where was it? There was a stock just mentioned and it's just left. Where is it? I'll have to scroll up on the chat, guys. Damn it. There was a really good stock which I saw someone message and it's now slipped my mind. Dr. Walid. We got Saudi Arabia, we got Poland, we got Mexico. We've got Canabo. Sorry, Goldie. Goldie, you're a lifesaver. Thank you so much. We got Saudi Arabia, we got US, we got the whole world in the live chat, guys. Guys, can you imagine how crazy that is? Who would have known in 2021 we can have people from all over the world in one little live chat right here. We got Space Traveler. Yo, Dr. Walid, are you in here because you've been watching my CCIV videos? I bet you have, my friend. I bet you have. Dr. Waleed is only watching because he wants to know what's happening with CCIV, right? Tell me. We got Compton in the building. Straight out of Compton, guys. We got straight out of Compton, Ramon. Guys, Mr. Waleed, Dr. Waleed, he's only watching because he wants to see what his friends over there are doing in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Wealth Fund is the biggest investor there for Lucid Motors. Is that what's going on here? No, Dr. Waleed. Dr. Waleed, we found out, man. We found out, my friend. He's keeping an eye on what information I'm giving on the Lucid deal, right? All right, from Queens. We got Queens, New York in the building. Man, Queens. Big up Queens, man. Oh, we got family, man. We got family in the live chat. We got Roger and Kay are like you see, oh man, it's kicking off in the live chat, guys. Guys, it's kicking. We got Roger and Kay. See, they crossed each other a couple of times in the street. Oh, thanks, Dr. Waleed. You're in safe hands over here, I should hope, and you're more than welcome to stay with us. How about ARGO? Okay, so let's look at this Canabo. Canabo Group is, oh man, I'm seeing the same patterns on every single stock right now, guys, and it's like I'm seeing deja vu. Roy, I've not heard from him for the last 24 hours. I think he's been a busy man, my friend. I think he's been a busy man. We got South Florida in the building, Miami. That's what's up. We got Miami in the building. Derek Haas. All right, so I like Canabo. I do like Canabo from the technicals. I'm just going to give a quick search on the internet if I have some fundamentals for you guys. Oh, Roger's coming for K. He's coming for him. All right, let's look at a couple of other stocks here. ARGO, James Awkward shouts out. That's the blockchain company, if I'm not mistaken. No, it's not. What is ARGO, guys? Oh, it's the insurance business. Wow, ARGO. Damn, ARGO looks good, man. Wow, it's definitely wow. It's finally making a move, ARGO, guys. It's finally making a move. What a V-shaped recovery there. Look at that V-shaped recovery. Fantastic. It's going to find some resistance soon, so we may have to wait for a dip buy. Al Capone is in the building, Chicago. We got Chicago stand up right here. We got Mr. Al Capone. Jeez, we got the whole world in here. We got Pakistan in the building. Welcome, man. Man, we're international, guys. Guys, I tell you what, I'm going to do some crazy traveling after this COVID thing is over. I'm not going to come see every single one of you, man. And we're going to do a live together, right? We're going to talk and then we're going to have a live together. How is SOS going down today? Yeah, I mean, let's pull it up. I've been getting a lot of questions on SOS. I know a lot of you who watch my channel are invested in SOS. I do have a small holding still in SOS. Now, guys, look, we have to look at these stocks based on the context of things. The market dumped today. We all know the market dumped. We got Slovenia in the building. We got Maryland in the building. And we got England in the building. We got Netherlands in the building. Guys, we are international. We are an international family. And no one's got nothing on Trader Journey family, guys. We are killing it. We're the money team, guys. We're the official money team. So, guys, what? Whoa. Don't tell me they're doing another offering. No chance. They just had the $10 offering just now, and they said they were not doing it for 90 days. No. No. Alright, let's have a look. I'm getting a lot of DMs from you guys, so I really appreciate it. Thanks for all the follow as well. Oh man, you know what I should have done to that, dude. 1 second. 1 second, let me see what's going on here. Dude, I went from 10k profit to 3k. Oh, damn, K. We locked in our profits, my friend. We locked in those profits. Guys, yeah, look, Alex has raised a good point, guys. Alex has raised a very good point. Because, look, guys, SOS was up 400% at that top, right? And it's come down half, right? It's lost about a couple of 100% from where it was, right? 100% even, okay? Now, we have to look at it in the context of things. The market crashed, right? We all know that. Thanks very much for that, Botis. Didn't even see the message, so I assume you sorted that out. So, look, the market crashed today. That was one thing. That was definitely one thing, right? Second thing is we're getting some news here from our member, Shift One Photo. What the hell is going on here? What's going on with AMD? AMD is Klaus. We can touch that towards the end of the live, but we're not touching that yet. But dude, what is this on SOS? I haven't even read. I need to read this, man. I need to read this. All right. So SEC filing. All right. Dude, these SEC filings do not make it easy. You know, they try and make... It's so old school the way they do. They need to update the way they do these things, man. What the flip? What the frick is going on here? Wait. What type of offering is this? I'm trying to get my head around this. Yeah... Rizwan, take it easy, my friend. We've been talking about SOS for a while, so hold fire for a second. I'm just reading this, guys. 1 second. Dude, I was so annoyed because they said they were doing the $10 offering and that was it. It does look like $1 billion. It is $1 billion. Dude, they are milking money, starting to scare me. Yeah. Dude, they clearly said in the last announcement, the $10 offering was the last thing they were going to do. Now, what the hell is this? Yo, I am absolutely livid right now. I am absolutely livid. Well, guess what? I'm still holding. Oh, just charging my phone there. Apologies, guys. Yeah, I'm still holding, guys. I am still holding because there's no point. What the hell? There's no point me selling out right now. Sorry about that. There's no point me selling out right now. We've taken 400% return. We've made our profit. I'm just going to leave it in there and see where it goes. I need to do some more reading, if I'm honest, on this SOS crap because I can't even make sense of it. Reply to Argo blockchain. Thanks, James Awkward. Yeah. All right, let's pull up Argo blockchain. Something is not right there, is it? How many offerings do they need? God damn. They already did the offerings to try and grow the business, and now they're pulling this out the works. What is this? What the frig is this? How much money do they need, man? Jeez, with all these offerings, the amount of money they've just got stacked away somewhere, right? Yeah, Rizwan, man. Rizwan, check. I don't know if I don't know if you're a new subscriber, my friend, but we did take those 400s. It wasn't exactly 400, if I'm honest. It was just like 370, 380, near enough 400. I could have taken at 400, but the price fell down a little, and then I got out at about 360, 370. Same like you mentioned, first long overtime. Yeah, I'm staying in SOS. I want to read what's going on here, because how much money do they need, guys? They've done $5 direct offering, then they did a $10 direct offering. Why are they accepting more offerings, and what the hell is this about? Because this is frustrating. I don't understand where they're putting the money. Why do they need the money? Where is the money going? Because they've already used a ton of money to grow other areas of the business. But anyway, I'm still holding, guys. So yeah, I agree, Ramon. You know, it's a long-term opportunity still. I'm still going to hold it, and I'd like to see where this goes. I'd really like to see where it goes, and I need to just understand. I know a lot of people are saying it's sketchy, but guys, I said on my live as well, and I did read something on it on social media as well, that a lot of the information we are trying to get on SOS is in damn Mandarin and Chinese. So we can't even read it. We can't even get the information because it's no longer available. It's not available in English. So just think about that, guys, right? Think about that. Yo, man. It's going good. Thanks, Contender. Thank you. Hope your day is going good. How did you find the mask today, man? To be honest, shall I touch on it, guys? On what happened with the crash? Do you guys want me to continue with the block? All right, let's cover Argo because I know James Awkward has been desperate for me to cover this. All right, look at the charts here, guys. James Awkward. Right, all right. Look at this. I mean, over the course of the years, right? Over the course of the years, well, not years, months, in fact. Sorry about that, months. What do we see here? Oh, nice little upward trend. Are you seeing that, guys? Nice little upward trend. Okay, so we're gonna have to wait for a dip for me. I think I'm gonna wait for a dip. I'm not gonna guys, two things I want to mention here. A lot of viewers are here, so I want to mention it now. Never catch a knife when it's falling. Never catch a falling knife, and never jump on a moving train. Never catch a falling knife and never move on a moving train. The same applies for stocks. The same applies for stocks. Yeah, it's a ton to read, isn't it? Shift 1 photo. I'll definitely read up on that and see what's going on. Some of it goes a bit over my head because they just use such I like this upward trend range on Argo, guys, but for me, I want to see it come down to test the bottom trend line, right? Test the bottom trend line, and here's what I think is going to happen on Argo. For now, I think we're going to find rejection, hopefully around the $40 to $50 range, $48 to $50, and then we should come down, and then we can maybe get a dip buy on the trend line, bounce at the trend line. I think the bounce at the trend line. Here's what a good entry for me would be on Argo. I think this right here, this line 4203, if the price rejects and comes down to that sort of support area, that would be a good entry, I think, from the technicals blockchain group. Yeah. All right, so moving on. Anyone want me to discuss my SPY analysis? Because it was fantastic. I don't mean to blow my own trumpet, but it was fantastic. If you were on my live this morning, you would have seen the SPY analysis and why we weren't concerned, but it was obviously something we expected. I'm just going to pull up SPY here. All right, let's check out SPY very quickly. So you guys can learn something, because I want you guys to learn this. If you are learning something, drop a like on this live. Come on, guys. We got 100 viewers, 35 likes. Let's get it going, guys. Let's get it going. Let's drop some likes here. Come on, help a brother out. Guys. Come on, man. We're a big family here, right? Okay, so GSAT, Barry, yes. Please, explain the SPY. All right, explain the SPY. Here we go, guys. Here we go. I would urge anyone who's seen my previous videos to go back to what I was talking about when I was doing some SPY analysis on previous videos and previous lives. Now listen very carefully. Go on to the 1 hour time frame on SPY and always look at the bigger picture as to what is happening with SPY. That's what I like to generally do, right? I can't read that name, but it sounds very interesting. Can you tell me your name in English and I'd happily pronounce it? Okay, so with SPY, it was in the upward trend. If you go onto the 1 hour time frame, you'll understand exactly what I'm saying, guys. And what was happening with SPY is in different phase, in this particular phase, I like to see SPY go through these healthy corrections back to the trend line, right? And it was a long time. It was way overextended on SPY. And I said to myself, and I said to the team, and I said to the people on the live that SPY was well overextended here. The market was overextended. And if we don't see it come back to the trend line, we're getting into more riskier areas where we'll see a sharper correction in the market. So say today didn't happen, right? And if you go back to my previous lives and videos, you'll see what I mean. I said that SPY was trending at these all-time highs here, it was extremely risky because with these overextensions, that's where you see sharp pullbacks, like I've just said, right? So for me, I purposely wanted, I had in mind a correction to the trend line. And you guys can go back to watch my previous lives, my previous videos. Anyone who's watched there or been on my lives before, you guys will see what I've been saying consistently on my lives. That if SPY's overextended, that means we're going to have a correction. And where that correction comes to depends on the overall bigger picture and what pattern we're trading in. And as at this point, we're trading in the upward trend. Now look at this trend line. I haven't touched the trend line. Guys, I have not moved the trend line. The trend line is still where I left it, and look where price corrected itself to. Look where price corrected itself to. Can you see this, guys? It came straight back to the trend line, although it is slightly off, which is fine, but it retested almost at 380 support level. So do you see that when you chart these levels, right, you'll understand. Oh, wow. Thank you. Wow. Mikey. Schlabs. Wow. Mikey Schlabs in the building. What's going on with Tilray and Riot buy on these dips? I'll answer that for you, Mikey, straight after this. So look at once it hit the trend line, I knew. Once it rejected the trend line, I knew. The trend line is still back in action, and the trend line is still where all of this is happening, and the party is still continuing. The party is still continuing. So the trend line was key for me. And I promise you, I did not touch this trend line, guys. This trend line, go back to all my videos. You'll see this trend line has been intact. I have not moved this trend line, guys. I have not moved it. I've not touched it. And look what happened. It came down, retested the trend line, and boom, it's gone. Thank you, Ramon. Thank you, Ramon. Thank you. SPY is still in a great uptrend. Exactly, Meraki. Now, guys, this is where we get tricky. This is where it gets very interesting. Don't forget to like and subscribe, people. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. All right, this is where it gets interesting, right? Because some of you are like, okay, well, when is it going to crash? So this is why you guys, look, I'm just going to quickly keep on. I'm just so excited to telling you this, guys, because I want you to learn and take on board what I'm saying. Now, 387 on SPY was a very key level for me. I mentioned it on previous videos. I mentioned it on the previous lives. I keep mentioning 387 on SPY. And I said to people, I said to everyone on SPY, if 387 does not hold, guys, if 387 does not hold, we will come and retest the trend line. We will come and retest the trend line. And that is exactly what happened. So there you go, guys. There you go. 387 did not hold, and then boom to the trend line, and boom. And I'm not saying technical analysis works every time, but in this particular instance, we got it right on the money, and it worked. It worked. So always look on the bigger time frame to understand what pattern SPY is trading in, so you can understand what the potential move is. Now, this is where it gets interesting. What's up, Pedro? What's up, dude? I think we got 2 Pedros in here. So hola, amigo. So yeah, drop those likes, people. Come on, I'm sure you guys have learned something from this, and you guys are gaining something from this. All I ask is your likes. I really appreciate you guys paying me, and I'm going to answer that question that somebody just paid me. Mikey, I'm going to answer your question just now in a couple of seconds. But guys, if the trend line breaks, like what happened on the end of January, 29th of January, that's when I start to get nervous. That's where I start to get nervous. If the trend line no longer supports, let this be something you guys can use to monitor and probably do going forward. Monitor the trend line. If the trend line does not support, maybe we're on track for a larger market correction, such as what we saw back in August and such as what we saw in October. So I hope that makes sense, guys, and I hope you've learned from that, and I hope you take it on board, because hopefully you guys can learn from it. Take it on board. Hola, Pedro. There we go. So let's address Mikey Schlab's question, as he has paid $5 towards the channel. George, I'm not too sure on AMC, but let's answer as he's been kind enough to give us $5. Okay, Tilray and Riot. Cryptocurrency prices have crashed today, as confirmed by my friend Botis and member over there. So Riot, I believe, personally, I've said this about crypto stocks before, and I still stand by it, that crypto stocks react very heavily to not only the market, but to prices, which is why Riot didn't really bounce back as heavy as I was expecting, right? It did bounce back, found support at 44.96, 44.96. So I think Riot is still a strong stock for the future, and I still think it's got opportunity. It was probably a good dip buy opportunity here, but I think what's going to help Riot even more is if cryptocurrency recovered. So cryptocurrency is down across the board today, so that is going to be a struggle. I covered Palantir, George. I would suggest you go watch my old video on Palantir. I posted it a couple of days ago, if I'm not mistaken. Take care, Alex. Good luck with that photo shoot, my friend. Catch you soon. Thanks for your support. Thanks for paying me yet again towards the next MacBook Pro. So hopefully you guys will not have any lagging. The YouTube live is working fantastic today. So George, yeah, check out my old video on Palantir because it will probably really help you. So I hope that answers your question, Mikey, on Riot. So it does heavily rely on that cryptocurrency prices. It was a good dip buy opportunity, I believe. However, if crypto doesn't recover, then it's got there's a direct correlation between crypto and this, and how well buyers step into the market to buy up this cryptocurrency stock, right? Okay, so let's look at Tilray, a weed stock. Man, oh man, Tilray's been disappointing, guys. Really, really disappointed with it. It's just continued to make further lows here. And it really just starting to look like a massive pump and dump. You know? And it's really, really annoying to see this because I am in on Tilray and I tried to catch a dip. I think I got in at the $36 range because I thought that was support, where we had this green hammer indicating reversal in the market, but it failed. It failed miserably, and now we're at this $24-25 range, and it's just looking so miserable. My goodness, it's looking so miserable. That's true. Botis raises a very good point there. George, unfortunately, I just don't have the time, but I do have a membership group, like I said, but the waiting list is growing, and I think we're done with it. Had high hopes playing Tilray. Yeah, same, Derek. It's a bit disappointing, but guess what, guys? Here's what's promising on Tilray. I'm going to continue to hold it for the long term, right? And I think it's still relevant, and I think there's still potential with it. So I'm not completely sold out of this, and I still believe in it. And I think loads of other people still believe in this type of stock. So yeah, exactly. Thanks, Neil. Yo, why have we got two moderators in here? Sorry, Neil. I'm going to have to remove you there. Sorry, Neil. You've been a great moderator, though. Botis has taken over for the day, but we'll get you back. Paused. Yeah. So, but it's just annoying that it came down so much. I mean, I didn't think a pause would bring the price down so much, but maybe the pause is getting investors thinking that the pause is potentially means it's off the cards, right? But who knows? For replay, check out Village Farms. They have a $90 price target on Simply Wall Street. Thanks, Meraki. Let's have a look at that stock, shall we? Village Farms, I have heard of that one. Village Farms International, NASDAQ traded stock, fantastic. $90 trading at 15. Same case, I'd say with this one, guys, as well. We need the progression on the weed stocks. We need it legalized, and there we go. Yeah, I mean, I'm interested in the Indian market. What have you got for us, Mr. NGO? Mr. NGO Yashvi Foundation, maybe you got something for us. Tell us what you got over there in the Indian markets. Maybe something could interest us. Nothing's really been exciting me over in that part of the world, though. Especially what's going on with the farmers in India, right? Who's been watching stuff going on there? Crazy. It seems politically unstable. Doesn't India seem a bit unstable right now, politically and economically, because of COVID, etc.? Wait, look at the love in there. Look at the bromance. Guys, look at the bromance kicking off there. We got Botis and Neil. Wow. Take it easy there, boys. Take it easy there. Jeez, got some bromance kicking off in the live chat. Jeez, take it easy. Take it easy, guys. Wow. All right, so yeah, I like the weed stocks, but we need progression, right? We need political progression. You're a bad dude. You're a bad dude. You're a bad dude, guys. You're all bad dudes over here. Excuse me if there's any ladies in here. I don't think there is, but everyone's a bad dude in here. Everyone's a bad dude. Everybody's a bad dude in here. All right, so how long did it take you to become consistently profitable? I'm still not consistently profitable, Neil. You know what the game changer is to be consistently profitable, guys? Hit the like and hit a subscribe button, because I'm going to give you some value yet again. The only way you can remain consistently profitable, if a trader tells you they're 100% green every single trade, every single time, they are simply lying, guys. They're simply lying, or they are a genius. Hit the like, guys. We've got 88 viewers. Come on, hit the like, guys. Help a brother out. So, guys, look. If a trader tells you they're 100% profitable every single time and they're always green, they're lying, right? So, frankly speaking, guys, sorry to say this, but consistently profitable, there's no such thing. The markets are inherently risky. Trading the markets is risky. The whole point of trading the markets is you're giving up some risk for some profits. It's as simple as that. So if anyone's promising you they're consistently profitable, but I'll tell you what is the game changer for me. Guys, I'll tell you what's a game changer for me. And this is why you guys see that I post risk to reward in every single chart. I chart my levels. I make sure I play trades and play stocks that are exhausted, and I play momentum. I'm somewhat of a momentum trader, and I'm somewhat of a trader which likes to maximize the reward to risk ratio, right? Exactly the quote: never catch a falling knife, and never jump on a train whilst it's moving, right? The same scenario applies, same rule applies with stocks. I like to trade stocks that are exhausted. I like to trade stocks when sellers are exhausted and buyers start stepping into the stock. And now look, Yep, Neil, I'm still in SOS, but I've got a small holding. I've taken most of the profits there, and whatever happens with SOS here or now, it does not concern me. Even if it tanks and it goes straight back down to $2, well, I'm fine with it. I'm absolutely fine, because chances are I'll still be green, right? I'm using TradingView right here, Ahab, tradingview.com. I'm using the paid version, but the free version is just as good. What did I tell you about that name, Trader Journey? Oh man, guys. At the count of three, right? At the count of three, we're all gonna say, Stock Journey. Get that name changed, punk. At the count of three. 3, 2, 1. Get that name changed, punk. Stock Journey, get that name changed, punk. Oh, damn, it's kicking off. Everyone's getting that name changed, punk. Oh, he's got the ban hammer out. My man Neil coming out with the ban hammer. Whoa, get that name changed, punk. Man, I love it, This is the best show on Netflix, guys. We should get a feature on Netflix for the Trader Journey live show. Anyway, as I was discussing, guys, what makes you consistent, right? What makes you consistent? It's not what makes you consistent. In this game, in the trading and investing game, we're trying to win the marathon. We're not trying to win a race, right? Get that name changed, punk. All right, so guys, look. The way you successfully stay in the markets and don't... A lot of people, I see beginner traders come in, they put all their money into one stock, they lose all their money, and they never come back to the markets. They're in once and they never come back to the markets, and you don't want to be that guy, right? Now the way you prevent those scenarios is by managing your risk and making sure you have a diverse portfolio. What do I mean by diverse portfolio? I mean diverse by geographically diverse. So have some money in the UK, have some money invested in the US, have some money invested in Europe, have some money invested in Asia. Guys, the Asian economy has recovered from COVID-19 the fastest. Their GDP has grown the fastest. So if you've not got money in the Asian markets, I highly suggest it. Maybe I make some videos such as investing in ETFs. If you don't know what stocks to invest in by geographical area, then invest in ETFs. Invest in the Asian ETFs. They are surpassing all the Western societies such as US, and they will surpass them in terms of GDP growth and economic growth. So here's the thing. Diversify your portfolio by geographical area. That's the first thing. You need to be doing that, right? You have to do that. Second thing you want to be doing is you want to emerging market ETFs. Fantastic, Meraki. Very good suggestion for anyone watching. The second thing you want to be doing is diversifying your portfolio by sector. Don't put all your money into the solar energy market, guys. Don't put all your money into electrical vehicles. Don't put all your money into one particular sector. Spread your risk, manage your risk, and make sure your portfolio is diverse. So that's the second form of diversification of your portfolio. Point number 3, diversify your portfolio by market cap. Right? Don't be investing all your money into penny stocks, even though the title of this video is penny stocks. Put your money into growth stocks, dividend stocks, ETFs, penny stocks. Only attribute, for me personally, as a threshold for highly speculative plays such as penny stocks, such as just highly speculative plays in general, right? You want to make sure that you're only attributing, say, roughly 10 to 15% of your total portfolio's value to highly speculative plays. You just don't want to put so much money into stocks that are highly speculative, and you're just treating the market as a casino, right? So that's the first thing. That is what I would say. That is my 2 cents for whoever asked the question, and I hope it helps you out, because a lot of people, like I said this earlier in the live, too many people looking for the lottery win, guys. Don't look for the lottery ticket. The market is about value investing, long-term growth, and over the course of the next 5 to 10 years, you'll be looking back and saying, all right, I'm so happy I didn't just blow my account onto some penny stock, which was highly speculative, right? I mean, there's nothing wrong with trading the penny stocks, and I'm clearly advocating buying penny stocks based off the title of my YouTube video. But what I would specifically say is, don't put your total account into penny stocks. Manage your risk. Size down on trades, especially on penny stocks. Don't be trading heavy on penny stocks, and that's it really. And always set a stop loss. A stop loss is your friend, guys, right? So it's your friend. Try and use a stop loss. Try to use it actively, and try to potentially use a trailing stop loss, as those are very good as well. All right. Yes, Meraki. Yes. Exactly. Exactly. Look. You guys know my videos are pretty spread out. I touch on different topics. Penny stocks just so happens to be what's hot right now. And Melo, my friend. Hola, amigo. 087 Melo. Look at that. Is that a new profile photo? I'm shouting you out right now, my friend. Chill. Is that a new profile photo, Melo? Man, look at you cheesing over there with your SOS profits. Guys, look at Melo cheesing over there, man. This guy is cheesing in his photo, man. Look at that smile right there. Meraki, is that a new profile photo? I think I see. Yeah, bro. Check you out, man. New haircut as well. Man, you're looking fresh out there, bro. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to find a lady in the live chat? Is that where we're going with this? He's cheese. Stock Journey, you're cheesing there with your SOS profits, guys. All of you cheesers. Mr. Mello over there, man. Trying to catch a lady or what, man? In the live chat? Trying to impress someone over there? I see you, Mello. Trying to switch up the profile photo. Yeah, I see you, man. I see you. Looking good, my guy. Yeah, looking good. You've been hitting the gym as well? Looks like you've been hitting up the weights, my friend. I see you, Mello. I see you. You're trying to get noticed, right? You're trying to get noticed in the live chat. All right, my friend. All right. Take it easy. Take it easy. Fresh haircut, new profile photo. But one thing ain't changed, Mr. Mello. You need to change that. You need to change that YouTube name because we got JR Mello 87. He's got the gains, right? He's got to change. Yeah. Hey, listen, Tom Burr, man. Tom Burr, listen. We have a good time in here. We have fun. And we trade stocks. And we make money. If you're one of those boring guys that watches those YouTube lives where you fall asleep, then this probably isn't for you because we have a good time and we make money. So Tom Burr, sorry to say, my friend, you may be in the wrong place. Alright, see you later, Tom Burr. You don't have to be here if you don't want it. You're only down when you sell. Oh, Randy, there we go. Who's the old lady? Yes, James Awkward. I like it. Guys, come on. I'm not a boring guy. I like to have a good time. I like to have a good joke. I like to have some fun. I'm not here to just make money. I'm here to have fun with you guys as well, man. Screw just having these boring chats about stocks. Like, stocks are boring as it is. We're trying to make them fun. You see what I mean? We're trying to make them fun, man. We're trying to make what we're doing fun. Exactly. And the market's damn close. Thank you, Botis. Yeah? So, oh, Botis, you're a legend. Thanks for everyone who dropped a like on the live as well. Guys, you know how much value I'm spreading here. I do give... Guys, am I wrong? Tell me if I'm wrong. I want to be humble here. If I'm not giving you value, then just say so. Tell me what you need to know. Tell me what you need to teach you. But my man over here, what's his name? Tom Burr. He just came in here and he's not even been in the live earlier. We've been talking about hella stuff. Guys, we were talking about hella value. I was giving you hella value earlier. And my man just came in here saying we're just having a good time. So, thank you, Meraki. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate all you guys. If you guys are learning, I'm happy. So, yeah. Fantastic stuff. How's our your boy Forest Road? Yeah, Workhorse, guys. What the hell? 45 Workhorse 47% down today? Are you nuts? What the 47%? Oh my goodness. How much did I lose? What did I lose? Probably about 4K across all the platforms. About 4K. Yeah. Thanks for clearing that mess, Botis. Thanks very much, my friend. Walt, I just saw your email, so thanks very much, man. We'll see what we can do for you. We can do for you. Lol, yes, red candle, my G. Yeah, guys, look at the red candle on Workhorse. Oh my god. Look at it, guys. Pedro, hola amigo, my friend. We can do all types of accents here, guys. I'm gonna on the next lives, right? You guys have to suggest an accent. Obviously, no racist puns intended. You guys have to tell me an accent I have to do for the whole live. Give me an accent, because I'm good at the Mexico. I'm good at the Mexico accent. So someone shot the CEO. Wow. Meraki says Workhorse back to being a penny stock. Look at that. Oh my god. I don't even think this is a bargain. Guys, I don't even think this is a bargain. I can't really do Irish, man. I'll try Ireland. How do you do Ireland? Chinese, Russian. Oh, okay. Maybe I can. I think I can do Russian pretty well. I think I can. I don't wanna hype it and then come out with a really bad accent. But guys, Workhorse is arguably a very cheap price right now. And you know, look at this, guys. Where's the potential low here on Workhorse? Look at this. Strong support, and it's recovered. So actually this may be a good dip buy until I know what happened fundamentally with the stock. You know, you sound like Gloucestershire. Meraki, man. Meraki, London town, my friend. Do a Texas accent. Damn, man, all I want is a burger right now. All right, so Alina G with a big smiley face there. Fantastic. Next time we go on live, we will just be, you guys can suggest an accent and I have to keep it up in the whole live. Maybe that'll be funny, right? Joseph Kidd, Suncor Energy. How about we throw that up, shall we? Do a roadman accent. Whoa, that'll be fun. Suncor Energy. Howdy hi, man. We gotta get all those cowboys out of here, man. We're gonna round out those cowboys in the battle and shoot those cowboys, man. Alright, Suncor Energy. Man, I'm loving this, man. We're having a great time. Let's put up Suncor Energy, seeing as though my man over there is asking for it. Joseph Kidd. I've seen you around these waters before, Mr. Joseph Kidd. What brings you around these waters, my friend? What brings you around these dangerous waters, Joseph Kidd? Old MacDonald. Man, I'm just having a great time here, guys. I'm just having a fun time. Come on, let a brother have a good time, right? Let a brother have a good time. Suncor Energy looks a bit weird. We got a previous high here, 22.42. No, it doesn't excite me. It's the train's already moving on Suncor Energy, so not so bothered. Stock Journey is crying over there. Wow, man, I'm glad I'm making you guys laugh. At least I'm doing something right, eh? At least I'm doing something right, making you guys laugh. If you're not learning, guys, at least let me make you laugh, right? If you're not learning, let me make you laugh. That's all I can say. Yo, Journey, take a look at NCTY. Yeah, sure. I think you pulled that up yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. NCTY Neil, Trader Neil. Guys, if you're not part of the family, you need to all change your YouTube name to Trader and then your name. Change your name to Trader and then your name. Hola, amigo. NCTY. Pull up NCTY right now. Okay, 34. Wow, guys, there's so many dip buy opportunities today. Jeez, there were so many. Workhorse to 1 cent. Oh, Workhorse to absolutely no value tomorrow, guys. Man, whoever was in Workhorse must have just, oh man, they must be hating. They must be hating it right now. I like NCTY. It's good support. See how the market's open tomorrow. Journey, take a look at Journey and change the name. Oh man. Workhorse didn't get the contract. Oh, I see. Thanks, Flimflam TV. Flimflam TV in the building. Alna, ALNA. Alright, let's look at ALNA. Guys, all I'm seeing is dip buy opportunities here everywhere. We need to see how the market opens tomorrow. Oh, ALNA, man. Wow. Nah, it looks weird, man. This one looks weird. This looks like a pump and dump right here. Guys, this looks like a pump and dump. Damn. Last week there were some contracts on Workhorse that expire on the 26th that said it was going to 23. I see. Best time to buy Workhorse in the dip. Oh, we got some bulls of we got some Workhorse bulls over here in the live chat, my friends. See you later, Meraki. Thanks for your grind. Thanks for your help. Thanks for watching. Peace out, everyone. Stay safe and green out there. Whoa. See you later, Meraki. Adios, amigo. Adios. It had a high of 89 yesterday. They bought a blockchain mining called SAS for $7 million. Jeez. The Great Chat Squire by Joseph Kidd. Jeez, what a pump and dump, man. What a pump and dump, right? But I mean, you could be getting a good price here before that huge rally that was seen before. Oh yeah, I think you're getting a good price for ALNA at this level. At this level anyway. Wow, it's like near all-time lows, man. I like it. Let's see how the market opens tomorrow. SSU MP, but this is a long-term rate Earth stock. Do your DD, it's looking very promising. Thanks, Craig. MP. Are you talking about MPT or MP? Or MP Materials Corp. Man, you guys throwing some crazy stocks out here. Love it. Ooh, maybe a long-term hold. Might have to do some DD on this one. Is there? You guys know I love an upward trend, right? You guys know that. Boom! Look at that upward trend. Wow! Look at that upward trend, guys. All right, guys. I think I'm getting pretty tired here, man. I am pretty tired. Trader Neil, I remember you shouted out BSQR. Fine, we'll finish up on BSQR because I'm pretty knackered right now. Melo, my man. As long as you take me to a gym and get me a haircut like yours, I'm coming to New York. I'm definitely planning a New York trip. I was there last year. Not last year. The year before last. I was in New York 2019. Yeah, it's like 10:40 right now. It's time for bedtime. I wake up pretty early as well, so I'm going to be knackered tomorrow. Yeah, Melo, I'll be in New York probably as soon as this COVID thing is done. So I'll catch you then, Melo. My dude Melo, I'll see you in Queens, man. See you in Brooklyn, New York, my friend. All right, so yeah, BSQR holding up well here. Every stock looks exactly the same after this market crash today. Correction, not crash. I keep saying crash, damn it. Sorry. I would be tired of that name too. Oh! Oh, man. Stock Journey. You are a little chicken. There you are. Post a little chicken for you, my friend. You're a little chicken over there. See what I did there? Little chicken Stock Journey. Man, that was clever though, Stock Journey. I appreciate you, man. I love the banter. I love the friendly banter me and Stock Journey got going on here because he stole my name. I'll never forget that. Oh yeah, Oxygen took a beating today. Oh man, Oxygen took a beating. All right, last stock, guys, and I'm heading out for the evening. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop a like. We'll be here on a daily basis, hopefully. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. We will get you hopefully some interesting plays for the rest of this year and the years to come. Join the family. Follow me on Instagram. Pin to the live chat. Oh, look at this. Oxygen. So I personally felt it was going to trade within that range, but the market correction forced it to fall down. But we're trying to get back into that range, and I think we'll open up above the demand zone tomorrow. So it looks good, looks fine, nothing to worry about here, and we're okay. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you've learned something today, and I love you guys. I love the team we have here, love the family here, and good night, team. Good night, me amigos. Ramon, I'll see you on the beach on Rio de Janeiro. Ramon, Melo, I'll see you in Brooklyn, New York, and Botis, I will see you in Portugal, my friend. Adios, familia. Good night, Alex P. Catch you in the DMs. Craig, catch you in the DMs. Take care, folks. Have a good one. Catch you tomorrow. Bye-bye.